So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to allow only admin to send messages in Messenger group chats. So right here is my Messenger app. You need to go to the group chats that you want to allow only admin to send messages on. You can't do this on your Facebook Lite or on your Facebook app, so you can only do it on your Facebook Messenger app. Looking right here, you need to click on the top of the screen like this. Click on the names you are seeing right there. So right here, you just need to scroll down like this, and below here where you can see privacy and support, you can see where it says message permission. So you need to go ahead and click on message permissions like this. Now looking here, you can see allow message sharing. You need to go ahead and turn off this. Now it says here everyone in the chat can share messages with Meta AI or autosave photos. So once this is turned off like this, only admin would be the only one that can send messages to the Messenger group chats. So this is how simple it is to allow only admin to send messages in Messenger group chats. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.